Hi everyone. So I'm going to upload one end-to-end course related to RAG, how it's implemented in real scenario. So these are the topics which I'm going to cover. So first will be high-level RAG architecture. So here we'll learn what retrieval-augmented generation is and how it enhances LLM with external knowledge and understand its core architecture through some real-world use cases. So we're not going to implement all those use cases as part of this topic. We're just going to understand how it's helping. Second will be embedding model. So the embedding model, vector database, retrieval pipeline. So these are the few component which is required to build a RAG architecture. We'll go through each of the component. So as part of embedding model, we'll be mostly understanding how text is converted into vector representation using Gemini model and learn like how similarity between sentences are calculated and used in retrieval task. Then we'll go through vector database, explore what all things are done utilizing vector database and how we are storing embedding and different kind of indexes which can be created as part of vector database. Then we'll go through retrieval pipeline. So mostly here we'll dive into how relevant information is retrieved using top case search and then understand different chunking strategy. So fixed chunking, overlapping chunks to optimize the retrieval performance. Once these are done, so once we have the context, we'll go with the LLM integration. So mostly like whatever is retrieved, right? So how that is that content is how are we passing that retrieve context to LLM? And we are going to use Gemini LLM for doing some quick implementation. So as part of LLM, mostly we're going to pass all the context, whatever is retrieved, and then we'll be having a customized prompt. And then whatever answer LLM has generated, we're going to go with the validation approach. So here we'll understand few techniques to ensure response quality, which include mostly LLM measures or semantic validation or answer grounding, just to ensure like whatever response is coming is kind of generated using the context retrieved. After that, we'll be going in building the full RAG application. So we'll utilize all this topic to build one full RAG application. So mostly like it's bring everything together to build a complete RAG app, and we'll be using semantic where we can go upload some document and kind of start playing around. So here mostly we'll go with the implementation along with some quick demo. So till here, you'll get the end-to-end understanding of each of the component uh, utilized as part of RAG architecture. And then at the end, we'll have one quick capstone project. So first will be chart with PDF, where we go in some scenario, we go and upload one document. In some scenario, we'll go and upload multiple documents. So first thing, okay, you go upload document, how that is getting stored in vector database, chunking will be there, and then we'll utilize LM to respond to any question asked from that particular PDF, and then we'll have this validation component. So it will be end-to-end implementation. Second will be like resume analyzer. So we'll pick a few of the resume, multiple resume, embed that in vector database, and then we'll utilize LM to understand the skill based on whatever JD is coming, and then we'll go and implement one customer end-to-end customer support bot. So as of now, most of the customer experience, if you call any customer care, it's at least initial part of it is handled using AI. So we're going to implement that as part of this topic. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel. I'm going to upload a separate video for each of the topic. Mostly like in next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm targeting to cover all of them. So just subscribe to my channel. So the moment I upload, you'll get an alert and you can go through that. And in case of any doubt, you can just comment in the video section. I'll try to respond. Thank you so much.